Welcome to our subject Digital Signal Processing. My name is Satish Koduri. Today our topic is Introduction of Finite Word Length Effects. As we know, digital signal processing algorithms such as discrete Fourier transform and filters such as IIR filters and FIR filters are realized using general purpose digital computer or digital hardware. In digital computer or digital hardware, values of DFT and coefficients of FIR filters or IIR filters are stored in a register in binary format. Finite word length register. We know length of the sequence. Number of samples in a sequence is called length of the sequence. Now, word length means number of bits in a word is called word length. Finite word length register is defined as a register which can store maximum number of binary bits. Then that register is called as finite word length register. Let us consider an example. AX register can store maximum of 16 bit. AX register is a 16-bit register where 16 is finite number. So word length of AX register is finite. Then we can call that register as finite word length register. To understand this concept, consider a calculator. It can display 8 digits. If we multiply 30.1259 with 11.3698, the answer will be 342.52545782. Here 6 digits are there. We can easily represent in this 8 digits. Here also 6 digits. We can easily show in this 8 digits. Result is 11 digits. How to fit this 11 digits in 8 digits format? Simple procedure is by removing least significant bits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 8 digits we can display in this calculator. That calculator can display 8 digits. This procedure is called as truncation. Truncation means reducing the number of bits by discarding less significant numbers in the given number to fit this number in this 8 digits. Another procedure also is there. Here 2 is there, less significant bit. We can write it as 8. 7 after 8 closest is 8. 5, 8 we can round off this value to 6, means 342.52546. Total 8 digits we can represent like this. So we have two procedures. One is truncation, another one is rounding of the values. Truncation is the process of reducing the number of bits by discarding all less significant bits. For example, a register can store only 8 bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are discarding less significant bits. Now we can store these 8 bits in 8-bit register easily. Or another procedure is round of the value rounding. Rounding is the process of reducing the number of bits to finite word size such as that rounding the closest of original unquantized number. This is unquantized number. We need to represent this in 8-bit register. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By removing this, we are making this value as 1. So we can represent round of value is this. And round off are nothing but quantizing the values. To store in a number of finite word length register, the values of DFT or filter coefficients are quantized, that is nothing but truncation or round of the value. Frequency response of the characteristics of the filter may change from desired characteristics of the filter, because if this is a coefficient of filter, we are rounding up this value like this. Both are not same, approximately same but not exactly same. This may change the characteristics of the filter that will not meet our requirements. This effect is due to finite word length. Due to finite precision representation of numbers in digital computer or hardware is called as finite word length effects. The main effects are zero input limit cycles, overflow limit cycle.